Hello everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I am going to try mooncakes. So, this week, starting on October 1st, is actually a big holiday in China. And actually on the 1st, two holidays are combining. So the one I'm going to talk about today is Mid-Autumn Festival. Now, I've been researching this, and depending on where you get your information from, some of it may be a little bit different. So, if you know of a different story, write in the comment section below. I'd love to know about what you know about Autumn Festival. So in my research, this is what I found, and this is what I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. So the fable of moon goddess Chang'e is an integral one during the Chinese Moon Festival. It is the tale of an ancient hero. I'm going to try to say his name, Hou Yi, a heroic archer. He shoots down 9 of 10 suns during a disastrous year when 10 suns arose at once. And you thought it was hot where you are? So it's supposed to be really, really hot with these 10 suns. So he ends up shooting down 9 of them. In one telling of the legend, Yi becomes corrupted and tyrannical in his new power and is offered an elixir of immortality. However, his wife, Chang'e, fearful for her people of an immortal and cruel king, steals the potion, drinks it herself, and escapes to the moon. The furious Yi shoots arrows at her as she flies moonward, but does not strike his target. Now she resides on the moon as its goddess and is celebrated every moon festival. The other story I've heard was about them both being lovers and wanting to be immortal together. They were both supposed to drink half of the elixir, and she ends up drinking it all. That was just one I found on the internet. But I'd love to know more about what you know. I know there's lots of stories on the internet. I'd like to buy children's stories and read them sometime, but I haven't yet. So we're going to try mooncakes today. I have pineapple, strawberry, mung beans, 5 kernels, honey peach, chestnut, cantaloupe, and red bean. So, all right, let's give it a try. Which one should I start with? I will start with my top left, which is pineapple. So, the mooncake, I took pictures of the mooncakes before. I will post them. And this one is pineapple. It tastes kind of like a fig Newton, but sweeter. This one's really good. I like the pineapple one. Okay, now strawberry. The strawberry one is pretty good, but not as good as the pineapple. Okay, so just want to tell you a little bit about the Mid-Autumn Festival. Is similar to Thanksgiving, and like Thanksgiving celebrated here in the States or with Western families. The annual festival occurs on the 15th day of the 8th Chinese lunar month, which lands on October 1st this year. It is also known as the Moon Festival, since it is believed that the moon is the fullest and brightest on this day. So, Moon Festival or Mid-Autumn Festival. And it says the festival originated from the custom of moon worshiping 3,000 years ago and has remained a time of reuniting with family for celebrations. Neat. So let's see. The mooncake is a round pastry, and it's a must-have food during the festival with its symbolizing reunion and happiness. Other foods enjoyed during this time include harvest foods such as pumpkins, pomelos, grapes, and crabs. So I thought it was interesting to note that the classic flavors are like red bean paste and lotus seed paste and the 5 kernel paste. But new flavors such as the pineapple, the strawberry, the cantaloupe, Those are kind of new and now. So I thought that was pretty interesting. And they're meant to be eaten with tea. So you're supposed to drink your tea. Today I have water, just in case I'm not too fond of one of them. All right, so let's try number 3, mung beans. I'm not really sure what to think of this one. It smells kind of just like wheat, like I don't smell anything. It tastes kind of like something I've had before, like green tea. But it's a bean. It's definitely a bean. I like this one. Mung beans is yummy. I do need a drink though because it's a little bit dry. Okay. Shall we try the 5 kernels? Let's do it. I'm trying not to make this video too long, but I can't just keep shoving mooncakes in my mouth because it'll just be too dry. So, all right, 5 kernels. It is so interesting that they are all so different. That one was really good. Now, I started Jenny Craig 2 days ago, so I tried to make sure I cut them all in half and then I'm taking a bite of them because I don't want to ruin my diet totally. But I'm going to have to get rid of some of these because I'm going to want to eat the rest of them. They're actually really good. All right, let's see. Chestnut. How about chestnut? It looks kind of maybe a little orangey inside. This one tastes kind of like a spiced, like you know when you have like pumpkin pie or something like that? That's what this one tastes like it's spiced. I don't taste chestnut. You're gonna have to check and make sure I have all the right names to them. My friend Lucy West gave me a list of the names that her student gave her. So they went over each one and he told her what they were. So hopefully we have all of them right. If not, let me know. I'd love to know. All right, I'm gonna try the honey peach. This one I've been wanting to try. I really like the taste of peach. I don't like to eat a peach, but I like the taste of peach. Does that make sense? Okay, let's try honey peach. Maybe I need a drink of water first. Okay. Ready? This one's good. So far, I like this one and I think the pineapple, but this definitely has a yummy honey flavor. I taste a little peach. Like I just tasted a piece of peach there, but the honey, oh, this one's really good. I like it. Okay, is there anything else I wanted to tell you? Oh, so there are many, many recipes out on the internet that I have found. There's a cute video of 2 young girls making mooncakes. So that was fun to watch and they give you a recipe. Also, I will add this to the bottom. This one came from VIPKid and VIPKid loves diversity and they're sharing their culture with us. So I wanted to share it with you. It talks about how to make the mooncake dough, what to fill it with, some traditional, non-traditional, how to make them, how to bake them. So super fun. And also, I will link the tool at the bottom. It is an Amazon affiliate link that I found, but I will link the tool that makes these pretty little patterns on them. So I thought that would be super fun. And whether you can try it this year or next year, just, you know, you might want to get it ready now. I did want to try these last year, but I was so new to VIPKid that I never had time to just go ahead and get it. So, cantaloupe. And it's green. Ooh, it smells. Smells like cantaloupe. Oh, yum. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, if you like cantaloupe, you'll like this one. This is so good. So good. I hope all of these messages that are coming to me are not popping up on here. That's why I keep going to reach. So, okay, wow. Cantaloupe, new favorite. Yum. Super good. I have one left, and that's a red bean. I saved this one for last because if I remember correctly, I'm going to like it. When I lived in Japan, I really loved some of the red bean stuff they had there. But I don't know, is it the same? Is it different? I have no idea. So, I'm gonna try this one. So far, I have enjoyed them all, but cantaloupe, honey, and pineapple were my favorites. Okay, red bean. This is the more traditional one. Again, it's just a red bean paste like this. And in the video, I think I will link the video below this one so that you can see how they make them. They use the tool that I was just talking about, and they show you how to add the red bean paste. Oh, none of these have the duck yolks, but they also show you how to make them with those. So, all right, last one. It's good. It's not sweet, and it tastes like red bean paste. I mean, it's pretty good. Not my favorite, but wow. I was really worried that I wasn't going to like any of them, and I actually like all of them. There was not one that I didn't like. So super excited for this taste testing because you just never know. All right. All right, everyone. I hope you learned something new from this short video here in my kitchen. Give it a try. Let me know what you think about mooncakes. Have you tried them? Have you made them? Let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you all next time. Have a great day, everybody. Happy Mid-Autumn Festival or Moon Festival to those of you in China or in the States that practice the Chinese tradition, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.